Welcome to another exciting YouTube video dedicated to vegan nutrition. Today, we're going to explore the vegetables that are packed with protein. Have you ever wondered if you can get enough protein on a vegan diet? The answer is a resounding yes. Vegetables can be excellent sources of protein, and we're going to uncover the varieties that will help you meet your nutritional needs. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking for healthier food options, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Chickpeas are often hailed as one of the vegetables richest in protein. They are versatile and can be used in numerous recipes like salads, hummus, or curries. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains approximately 15 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for vegans. Besides their high protein content, chickpeas are also rich in fiber, iron, folate, and B vitamins. Incorporate them into your regular diet to reap their numerous nutritional benefits. Lentils are another incredibly protein-rich vegetable. They are easy to prepare and pair well with many dishes. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein. In addition to protein, lentils are also an excellent source of iron, fiber, folate, and manganese. They contribute to heart health, weight management, and blood sugar regulation. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of lentils, such as green lentils, red lentils, or black lentils, to add variety to your meals. Broccoli, a green vegetable with multiple health benefits, surprisingly offers protein as well. 1 cup of raw broccoli contains about 2.6 grams of protein. While this may seem relatively low, broccoli is a nutrient-dense food and also contains vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants. Add broccoli to your salads, stir-fries, or even smoothies to enjoy its health benefits. Spinach, a leafy green vegetable, deserves a prominent place on your plate. It is rich in protein, iron, calcium, fiber, and vitamins A and C. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains approximately 5 grams of protein. Spinach can be consumed raw in salads, steamed, added to soups, or even used as the main ingredient in dishes like vegetarian lasagnas. Its versatility and nutritional value make it an excellent choice for boosting your plant-based protein intake. Black beans are not only delicious but also an excellent source of plant-based protein. 1 cup of cooked black beans contains about 15 grams of protein. They are also rich in fiber, iron, folate, and antioxidants. Black beans can be used in a variety of dishes, such as vegetarian chili, burritos, or vegan burgers. Don't hesitate to include them in your diet to enjoy their health benefits and protein content. There you have it. We've explored 5 protein-rich vegetables that are perfect for individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet. Chickpeas, lentils, broccoli, spinach, and black beans not only provide protein but also a range of essential nutrients for a healthy diet. So, add these vegetables to your grocery list and fuel your body with plant-based proteins for optimal health.